Sunflower clock project. Exploded view. Material list. A face, 1/1/4 of an inch x 7/7/8, diameter B petals, 24 1/4 of an inch x 1/3/8 x 4. Petal layout detail. Petal layout detail. Project overview. This sunflower clock will brighten any room with its yellow petals and dark brown face. We used a combination of solid wenge, solid yellowheart and cherry plywood to make this clock. Could substitute walnut for the wenge and maple that is dyed yellow for the yellowheart. You could also use Baltic birch plywood for all of the parts and color each part with dye stain. Lay out the petal alignment lines. Refer to the petal layout detail drawing on P3 and use a protractor or angle finder tool to mark the petal alignment lines on the cherry plywood back, C, and on a piece of paper that is at least 16 by 16. The paper will be used to help align the petals. 2. Cut out the back and face pieces. Use a compass to draw the 13 diameter perimeter on the back piece, left. Then cut the wenge face, A, stock into 8 long pieces and edge glue them together to make the face piece. Next, mark a 7/7/8 circle in the center of the face piece. Cut out both pieces, right. Cut out both pieces, right. Cut just outside the line on each piece and sand flush to the line. Subscribe to our woodworking community by clicking the first in the description below and receive daily free woodworking plans. 3. Cut the tapered petals. Cut 24 petal pieces to 1/3/8 x 4 1/4. Each petal will taper from 1/3/8 wide to 5/8 of an inch wide. See petal detail, P.3. Use the small parts taper jig, 57,550, and table saw cut the tapers along both long edges of each petal. Set up the first taper cut to follow a line from the front corner to a mark that is 3/8 of an inch in from the opposite corner. Inset photo. Make this first taper cut on all 24 petals. Next, flip each petal over to taper cut the same taper along the opposite edge. You must reset the small parts taper jig to cut a line from the front corner to a mark 3/8 of an inch in from the opposite corner. Inset photo. 4. Attach the petals to the back. Use a compass to draw a 3/2 radius circle in the back. Place the back on top of the paper and align the layout lines on the paper in the back. Attach a petal over each layout line with glue. Apply a bead of glue on the line and center the petal over the layout line with the narrow end tangent with the inside circle. Use the lines on the paper to help align the wider end of each petal. Next, attach a petal between the petals that have already been attached. 5. Attach the face to the petals. Glue the filler block over the center of the back. Then center the face on the petals and apply painter's tape to mark the edges of the face. Apply a bead of glue to the filler block and next to each piece of tape. 6. Attach the face to the petals, cont. 6. Attach the face to the petals, cont. 7. Install clock mechanism. Drill a 5/16 of an inch hole through the center of the clock face. Follow the installation instructions for the clock mechanism. All the tools we used in the project are in the description.